Back like we never left. What is good, everybody? Today's video, don't you dare ever underestimate how much the narcissist hated your ass. Now you already know how I get down. I don't like to waste time and I'm ready to get into it. So let's do that right now. Every single morsel of goodness that they knew about you, from the kind gestures you did for strangers, to being there for your family, being a great parent to your children, having a successful career, being good looking, enjoying living healthy, how you effortlessly fixed problems, how much time you spent helping in your community, how fashionable you were, how fiscally responsible you are, where you went to school, how you managed so many of your fucking life stresses and made it look so easy. Shit, they hated every single second of it. And not just hated it about you, they also made it a goal to make you feel bad for it too. And in the moment, none of it quite makes sense, does it? Why would someone who loves you, chose to be with you and committed in a relationship, be so mean, so rude, condescending, and trying to downplay so much of what you do? Why would someone who says they care about your well-being make you feel guilty for hanging out with your friends and your family? Why would they criticize an outfit they said that they used to love on you? Why would they complain so much when they knew how much time you worked in your career before you met they raggedy ass? And it's because they despised you. And when someone has a jealous and envious spirit, there isn't time spent doing anything productive about their own life and situation. Nah, they become obsessed with making you feel unworthy of everything that you fucking earned. It's not that they wanted what you had, it's that they didn't want you to fucking have it. And I want you to consider that level of self-hatred, insecurity, and downright entitled of a spirit a motherfucker has to have to despise someone that's doing well just because they're doing well? Wait, what? You starting to realize where I'm getting at here yet? You were in fucking danger zone. And no, I'm not using that shit as a euphemism. I mean, you were in an environment that only allowed you to play small, that made you wear your own mask out in public as to not damage their fragile ass ego. And have you considered how much of a breath of fresh air you felt when the narcissist wasn't around? When you went to that event alone? When you didn't have to worry about them ruining your evening with some dumbass argument because of their delusional ass insecurities? Amazing the realizations when we have time to be outside of that narcissistic fog, ain't it? To be able to think clearly about all that time invested, the resources expended, and the amount of effort you gave to a motherfucker whose sole intent was to make your life harder, create confusion in that manipulationship, and have you keep working through so much emotional turmoil that you look up and it's years later, and after all that's been invested, you either don't want to leave, or are afraid to leave, or are waiting for them to abandon you so you can get unplugged from the fucking matrix. You want to talk about an environment that's hard to explain afterwards? A place where every day you wake up it's like Groundhog's Day? You can never do anything right. And just getting used to finding comfort in the silent treatment because you don't want to hear any more of the fucking yapping about a whole lot of nothing? Consider those dangers. Consider your happiness being held prisoner. And consider the repercussions if after getting out, you don't take your healing as serious and intentional as you know damn well your ass should be. As always, thank you to every single one of you for tuning in and checking out this video today. If you're new to the channel, become official to the squad. Hit that subscribe button and that bell notification down bottom. Become an official part of a team that will always push you towards personal greatness. I'll be back soon with another new video, but in the meantime, have an amazing day. Stay strong and stay inspired, and as always, until I see you guys next time, peace.